Welcome to fishbowlproduction, unboxing a wet vac from Walmart. So I need this especially because I have couple bathrooms that needs to be updated, as in the pumps, the water fill valves are not working anymore. So in order to do that, I need to empty the tanks, and for me to empty the tanks, I either need a towel, which I have used in the past. There are a couple of videos of me using a towel to do bathroom work, but this time I wanted to upgrade myself a little bit because I find myself doing enough work around bathrooms or other areas of the house. So why not just buy something that may be helpful for a longer period of time as you hopefully do DIYs around the house. So that's the value proposition, if you will. But I'm gonna open this right now, and let's see if I can show you what comes in the box. And the actual video of this working is going to be a different video, but right now, again, just trying to get it off the case. Mega, can you help me? Mega, can you help me with this?
What? Okay.
Can you help me take it out of here? Opa, opa.
You
Oh,
pull, I push.
oof. Look at that. This is a 6-gallon 5-peak HP. It comes with a few attachments.
Ooh, it looks like a pool.
Comes with a few attachments. But let's just open it. It said it has a 3-year limited warranty.
Dad,
Yes.
this looks like a pool for Dolly.
Yeah, but it's not safe. Not safe for dollies, it's not safe for kids. All right, let's open this.
And I'm a chicken.
There you go.
I love you.
And we got the whole book of instruction manual. And then let's take these out. Attachments. All right, cool. I guess you can use them like this. And then now you have a longer attachment like this. Keep that aside. Mega, I need your help. Yes, please. Or maybe not.
Daddy, where's for Dolly?
Okay, never mind.
What's this? Big thing. It looks like a bat.
Hmm.
Dad, does this look like a bat to destroy it?
Yeah, like a saber, lightsaber.
Oh yeah.
Okay. No texture, please. Okay, all right. So the way to get the
Why can't this lightsaber move? Ooh.
careful, you might hit yourself.
Okay.
No, I know. Yes. And then there's a whole lot of attachments in there. Okay. There's a filter here.
Mom, say hi to the vlog. Mom, say hi to the vlog. I'm flying on a broomstick.
So here we have our attachment right here, 3 pieces that come together like that. And then there are your 4 wheels that go to the bottom of the bucket. Here's your 5-gallon bucket, nice and shiny. And then you have your hose, about maybe 4 feet, 5 feet, maybe. Yeah, I think about 5 feet maybe. And then you have these attachments. So this just about done. So these are the attachments. I wish this was a little wider actually, like so I could, you know, cover a lot more wider area, but this is what it comes with. And then there's a small brush, I guess, to brush your teeth. Attachment maybe for the car, if you want to vacuum your car and you want to get to tighter places, you have a couple of these, so you can go to a much tighter places within the car seats or between the car seats. And then this one right here actually goes right here. If I were to put this thing back, this one goes right here, so you can lift the top of the vacuum with this. It's a handle, and it has a couple of screws that come with it. So that's what comes in the box. Again, put that aside for a second, show you the box. I got it at Walmart. It was about, I think, $70, but I got it right before Black Friday, so actually ended up getting it for like $35, $36, so about half the price. So once I try it, and I will provide you a review of how it works. But before I provide the actual review on a video, if you have any questions about actual what comes in a box or the actual equipment, because I may have already used it before posting the video, just put your questions on the comment below, and I'm happy to provide an answer based on what I have learned, because making videos sometimes takes time. So yes.
I made an elephant. Can I show it to the vlog?
Yes, hurry up please, we're closing out.
Okay.
What kind of elephant is that?
Elephant.
I see, right here. That's the trunk. Those are the eyes.
Look at the trunk. I customized it.
Oh, I see. Yes. Oh, nice artwork. Okay. All right. So thank you for watching the video. You know, share anything that you have in mind in the comments below. And please stay healthy and safe. And we will see you on the next video. Take care. Bye.